Hello, Dazzle and I are here today at Peil in Kalibo, Aklan. We've been coming here since we were in college together when we were since 2012. We started eating here at Peil. It's like a good place to eat like afternoon merienda for snack. We used to come here on our breaks from school. Today's our date day, so we decided, hey, we haven't eaten at Peil in a while, so that's where we headed today. I ordered spaghetti. Is what I got. It's Pinoy Spaghetti. It's like the Filipino spaghetti. So when it's Pinoy Spaghetti, it comes with hot dog on the spaghetti, and it's usually the sauce is usually sweet. And then Dazzle, she ordered the sisig. She likes sisig. Alright. Dazzle, she ordered the sisig, so she's mixing up the egg. It comes topped with egg. It comes in a sizzling plate, so when you mix it, it cooks the egg with the sisig meat. It's got peppers, green peppers, and red peppers on it. And it comes with calamansi also, so she'll put calamansi on it. So calamansi tastes a little bit like between lemon and lime, so adds a good flavor to the sisig. We just finished eating our lunch. I had the spaghetti, and Dazzle, she had the sisig and rice. So now we're gonna go for dessert. We ordered the Mango Tango split, and this is what it looks like. It's got strawberry ice cream. It's got ube ice cream. Ube is like a purple yam. It's like a sweet potato type ice cream. And then the third ice cream is mango ice cream, and it's topped with peaches, mangoes, and cherry on top, and sprinkles. It's got sprinkles, and it looks like it's got chocolate syrup on it. All right, we're gonna go ahead and eat it.
The total bill was 370 pesos. That's about $7 for lunch, including the ice cream. It's all gone.
Oh god. All right.
Including the ice cream.
Hello, we just finished eating at Peil. Peil, like I said, we've been eating here since we were in college. Really good food. The ice cream is always good here. That's what we really like eating here is ice cream. The bottom part of the shoe is peeling. So I'm over here at the shoe repair place, and this lady's gonna fix my shoe. She's what she's gonna do is she's gonna sew the bottom of the shoe. That way they're not just gonna glue it, they're actually gonna sew it by hand, so it'll stay. There she is. She's working on my shoe. You can tell it peeled open. So what she's gonna do is she's gonna sew the bottom part. That way it's not just by glue, it's sewed onto the shoe, so it'll stay forever. Hello, just got done getting my shoes repaired. What the lady did basically is like she hand stitched all the way on the bottom of my shoe. Hand stitched it all around both sides. That way now it's not gonna peel, you know, it's sewn in there. And the total cost to repair my shoe was 150 pesos. So that's $3 to get my shoes fixed. So now my running shoes, I'm good to go. I get to use my running shoes again. All right. Dazzle and I just came from Kalibo, and we're headed home to Camellia Homes, Aklan. We just made a pit stop. Dazzle wanted to get bananas. She wanted to get the plantain style bananas because she wants to fry the bananas, and those are perfect to fry. And I think she's also getting that big papaya, that gigantic papaya.
Hey, look at this papaya.
Yeah, look at that papaya.
Oh my god,
Wow,
this papaya
that's
is
huge. And she's getting vegetables too. It looks like the one to make pakbet. There's some of the vegetables and fruit. They got apples, they got these señorita small bananas. And, oh, they got mangoes.
Dali lang.
So how much was all that, babe?
79 plus 27.
79 plus the 106.
106 lahat.
106
Yeah.
pesos?
For
Okay.
this, ano,
All right. So about $2 for all these.
106. Yeah.
All these
23
plantain, another style of bananas, looks like señorita bananas, and then the vegetables. So this big bag right here will cost us $2. Will cost us $2 for this big bag. And Dazzle got some more. She wants to spend
56
the 200 pesos.
Yeah.
How much is that?
56. 56 for the potatoes.
About $1 for those 3 potatoes. Yeah. For all these, it costs us $3.